Hello YouTube, this is Teach Me Computer and welcome to tutorial number 20 in the PHP programming series. Now in this video we are going to learn about the explode function in PHP, and what the explode function will allow us to do is split up a string into an array of different strings based on what we want to split it by. So we're going to create our file first. We'll save this as explode.php, and okay, the first thing we need to do is just create a simple string variable. So we're going to call this sentence, and we're going to make a simple sentence. I'm going to say I am enjoying the PHP video tutorials, because we all know you are. We'll add a full stop there, make sure it's a sentence, and we'll save that. And what you need to do next is you're going to declare a new variable. Now this is going to be an array, so we're going to call this parts, because it's going to be each part of the sentence. And the way we can explode an array, or sorry, explode a sentence into an array, is using the explode function. So just type explode, and then what we'll do is have two brackets and a semicolon to end it. So what we need to type in here are two parameters. The first one is going to be what we want to explode it by. In this case I'm going to type a space, so just a quotation mark, empty space, and a quotation mark. Then we have a comma, and in the second parameter we need to determine the variable that we want to split or explode. So in this case it is sentence. So just going over this quite briefly. Sentence is a variable and it includes a lot of spaces, and then parts is going to be an array. We're going to explode, and actually need the equal sign here. We're going to explode this sentence string by a space. So for example, it's going to split all of this, and it will actually remove this character here, and it's going to remove this, and value 0 is I, value 1 is am, value 2 is enjoying, and etc. So just to end this, we're going to print which will print out all the values of the array parts. And if you visit explode.php, you can see that it has taken each part of the sentence between the spaces, and it says I am enjoying the PHP video tutorials. So you know, if you want to just split we can just change this, and we can split it by capital P and then save it and refresh this and say I am enjoying the P and then video tutorials, and that's done that because we have two capital P's in PHP. So it's basically removed these and said okay, that's 0, that's 1, and that's 2. And we can also just refer to this just like we refer to an array, so we can just say echo parts and then part number 1, and that should just be H, and yes it is. So that was the short little video tutorial on exploding function in PHP. It's similar to the split function in other languages such as Visual Basic. It just splits the variable up into little pieces by the value that you determine. So just to go over it one more time, to use the explode function, you type the keyword explode, and then you need two brackets, and the first parameter will be the value that you want to split it by, and it could be anything you want. And then after that, the next value will be the actual variable you want to split. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Please like the video, subscribe, and keep on watching.